Chia seed drink recipes, refreshing and nutritious beverages. Hello fast vegans, are you looking for some delicious and nutritious chia seed drink recipes? Look no further. We have put together a list of 4 refreshing beverages that are perfect for any time of the day. These drinks are packed with the health benefits of chia seeds, making them a fantastic addition to your diet. Let's get started. 1. Chia seed lemonade. Ingredients: 4 cups water, 1/2 cup freshly squeezed lemon juice, 1/4 cup chia seeds, 1/4 cup agave syrup or maple syrup, adjust to taste. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps the channel out. Instructions: 1. In a large pitcher, combine water, lemon juice and sweetener. 2. Stir well to dissolve the sweetener. 3. Add chia seeds and stir to combine. 4. Refrigerate for at least 30 minutes, or until the chia seeds have swollen and formed a gel-like consistency. 5. Serve over ice and enjoy. 2. Chia seed smoothie. Ingredients: 1 cup unsweetened almond milk, 1 ripe banana, 1 cup frozen mixed berries, 2 tablespoons chia seeds, 1 tablespoon almond butter, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Optional: a handful of spinach or kale for added nutrients. Instructions: 1. In a blender, combine all the ingredients. 2. Blend until smooth and creamy. 3. Pour into a glass and enjoy immediately. 3. Chia seed iced tea. Ingredients: 4 cups brewed green tea cooled, 1/4 cup chia seeds, 1/4 cup honey or agave syrup, adjust to taste, 1/4 cup freshly squeezed lime juice. Fresh mint leaves for garnish. Instructions: 1. In a large pitcher, combine cooled green tea, sweetener, and lime juice. 2. Stir well to dissolve the sweetener. 3. Add chia seeds and stir to combine. 4. Refrigerate for at least 30 minutes, or until the chia seeds have swollen and formed a gel-like consistency. 5. Serve over ice, garnished with fresh mint leaves. 4. Chia seed coconut water hydrator. Ingredients: 2 cups coconut water, 2 tablespoons chia seeds, 1/2 cup diced fresh fruit, such as mango, pineapple, or strawberries. Optional: a splash of lime juice for added tang. Instructions: 1. In a glass or jar, combine coconut water and chia seeds. 2. Stir well and let sit for about 10 minutes, or until the chia seeds have swollen and formed a gel-like consistency. 3. Add diced fruit and a splash of lime juice if desired. 4. Stir gently and enjoy. That's it. These 4 chia seed drink recipes are a perfect way to incorporate chia seeds into your diet while enjoying delicious and refreshing beverages. Give them a try and let us know what you think in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to The Fast Vegan for more plant-based inspiration.